Let's see how to export PDF file into Excel file. Click Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. To export PDF file into Excel file, click on Tools and then create and edit group. There is export PDF section. Click on down arrow to open. Click on open. Then you can see this is the spreadsheet. A spreadsheet basically means Excel. So you can also convert PDF page into PowerPoint, image, HTML web page and other formats. For other formats, click here. So I am going to convert PDF into Excel. Select the file. So this is the PDF file and I am converting this into Excel. Click on open, then click on export. You can see it is asking for option to save that file. Choose this file only. Give a name PDF to Excel. Then click on save. You can see it has been exported into Excel file. In this way you can export any PDF file into Excel file.